How to unfollow people on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can unfollow people on Facebook. Now this includes people, person, page, or any groups. So to do that, what you first have to do is open up your Facebook. After you've opened up your Facebook, you can then simply head over to any page or any person or any group that you want to unfollow. So let's begin with a person. Let me just go right here. And let's say that I want to now unfollow this person. All I have to do is select the friends option and tap on the unfollow button. After I tap on unfollow, tap on OK. And there you'll see unfollow. And again, you can unfollow directly from many other options as well, such as people, groups, and pages. And that's how you can unfollow people, page and group on Facebook. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.